How's it going, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to another awesome episode of Life Made Easy. Today we're going to be doing a custom PC build video. I'm not actually going to buy this PC, but thought I'd just walk through and custom pick a PC. If you guys go on to enjoy this video, smash the like button, subscribe, hit the bell, notifications, select all. A couple quick housekeeping items before we get into actually picking the parts for this build. Shout outs to the two channel members on the channel, Tracy Markley and the Titanium Ninja. I'll put their names on screen right here. So shout out to them for helping support the channel. If you want to become a channel member, just hit the join button down below. You'll get exclusive shout outs like this on various videos. And then another quick thing, go subscribe to the College Made Easy podcast. We upload twice a week, Wednesday, Friday, 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Do awesome college tips and tricks videos. We give the best advice for how to be a successful college student. So go head over there. Links in the description if you want to check that out. So without further ado, let's hop into this custom build. I have no idea how this is going to go. I've used this website a couple times, just like go through various builds and see what's cool, see how prices change and stuff like that. This is one of those websites that's really useful to see if parts are compatible. This website's great. It'll tell you if all the parts are compatible, and it gives you various options for every part, and it tells you the price. Really great way to save money on a build. This is an alternate route. If you don't want to go pre-built, you pick every part yourself, see if they're compatible, and then end up building it on your own. Now, I don't believe you actually can buy all these parts from this website. I think you have to buy them from where it tells you to. So that's another thing. So yeah, let's just hop right into it. I'm gonna probably go for a mid-tier build for this. So let's see what we have for option. Okay, sorry about that. I just had a massive internet glitch. Okay, so for CPU, I don't know if I want to go AMD or Intel. It kind of depends on what we're looking at. Actually, maybe I'll go budget for this. Maybe I'll go an i3 because look how inexpensive this is. Only $74 roughly. 3.6 gigahertz and 4.2 core clock and then boost clock. Okay. Where was it? Was it right here? Was this 4 cores? Yep. i3 9100F. So at least it's like one of the latest versions of an i3. Let's add that. That is pretty inexpensive. Obviously it's not the best, but we want to go budget. Gotta go budget. CPU cooler, I honestly could care less. I know a lot of people do put a lot of emphasis on the CPU cooler, but I don't. So I'm just gonna, I don't want to go like this inexpensive, like $35, but it does have really good reviews, and this is a budget build. So, oh, this is like a huge range. Like, how do you even know what that means? This one's $650 to $2,000. And what is it, like a $10 difference roughly? I think. Oh, let's just go with the budget one. Let's go with the budget one. I know, not the best, but going budget. We're going budget. And I can do like later. I can do other episodes on like mid-tier builds, high-end builds, and stuff like that. Motherboard. Oh, people always say the motherboard is really important, but I don't know. For me, I don't care. I mean, I know it's like a horrible way to look at it, but. Oh man, because like I don't have a lot of background information when it comes to motherboards. I've seen them in person. I've seen someone work on one, but it's one of those things that like I just don't have a lot of background knowledge on. So, oh man, does the color even matter? No. Also, all the ratings are like really high for all these parts, which is crazy. Memory max. Do we want? No, we don't really need 128 gigabytes of memory. Micro ATX or ATX? I don't know which one to go for. I don't even know the difference. Let's just go regular ATX, I guess. Or is that more expensive? I think it is. This is hard. This is hard. Let's just go. This is hard. I don't want 32. That's too small. It's also budget, so we're gonna go with 56. Oh, warning. Oh, geez. I don't think this is compatible. X that out. Let's pick another one. How about this one? Let's go night. Or was there? No, there was a. Yeah. How about this one? There we go. Compatible. Cool. Hopefully you can get free shipping on all these. This one does have a shipping cost. Try to avoid that. Memory. If we can get 16 gigs really cheaply, that'd be fantastic. Look how expensive RAM is. Oh my god, this is hard. This is really hard. I need to go budget. Let's just go with this one. Oh no, how much is this? That's only 8 gigs, that sucks. We're going 16. No, actually I don't like that one. There was one that was less expensive. Where was it? Where was it? This one. 16 gigabytes. Is that compatible? Sweet, it is. I don't want additional memory. 16 gigs is plenty, and for $66, that's not a bad deal. Storage, I want an SSD. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to get one. What is this, 2 terabyte hard drive? 40 by SSD. If I can get a small, I'm gonna add this, the 2 terabytes. I'm gonna add. Then we're gonna add additional storage. Try to get an SSD on here. Can I get like a really small SSD, please? I don't know if it's gonna allow me to. Oh, it's 120 gig. Yes. Sign me up. Give me that. Only $28 for a solid state drive. Let's get it. Video card. This is huge. I don't want to go like too over the top with this, so I might go budget with the video card. I don't even know what this. Oh, I was like, what is this thing? It's Radeon RX 580. I think that's a good deal. Let's slap it on. Let's slap it on. That's pretty inexpensive for a graphics card. Power supply. We might have to go 550. I'd have to do it. I have to do it. I don't want to go that expensive. Man, these are so expensive. I like how there's just no specifications on that one. Let's go this one. Just cuz. How much was that? Power supply, 650. That's good enough. That's good enough. Optical drive. Do we even need an optical drive? Not really, but just slap it on. You know, let's just add it. Everyone loves optical drives, right? Operating system, Windows 10. Man, they always get you with this. Always get you. Big ripoff, but gotta go the least expensive one. Software? Why do I have to pick this? I want software. Are you kidding me? That just slows down your computer. Choose a monitor, doesn't matter. External storage, and choose a laptop and other accessories. I think we're good here. Honestly, only $3.99 shipping, which is cool. And you can buy it all from Amazon. Dope. Yeah, that's my build for this video. I said it was gonna be budget, but we did hit like $700. Which is not too budget, but it's also not that expensive. I mean, for the parts we got, it was pretty solid. I'm most impressed with the storage options that I was able to get. 2 terabyte hard drive and then 120 gigabyte SSD. Graphics card is probably lacking a little. I can just go to this. Like, what is the rating on this thing? I mean, it got decent reviews on Amazon, but what are like the... a lot of this is Greek to me. Not a fan of this card. I do, likes the buzz. I mean, it's a budget GPU. I mean, what can you really say? I'll take it. I'll honestly take it. It's not the worst thing in the world, but yeah, it'll do the trick. It'll do the trick. It's RX 580. You know, it's just good. It's not great. It's good. That's gonna be it for this video, guys. Hope you all enjoyed. Subscribe, like, hit that notification bell, and subscribe to College Media Podcast. And if you want to become a channel member, just go down below and hit that join button. And I'll see you guys in the next video from Life Made Easy. Peace out, guys.